go home. Kati, what is so difficult to go home? What is so difficult, Kati, to go home, Bagit? Because, guys, that we've got our own issues. You can see with the South Africans, guys, we've got our own issues. Our own burning issues. We need to solve our issues without you guys being involved inside. Imagine we can't solve, as I say, our home issues. You are also inside. You are busy telling us about white people. White people, this is between us and white people. It's got nothing to do with you. Those are home issues. What Afrikaners and white people, even during apartheid, our cities were very clean. Our grandmothers had jobs. Nina, you just cover the mess. Ama labor, they are supposed to be paying people 8,000. Nina, you take ama labor 1,000. All the companies are crashing because of you.